In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can transfer money from PayPal to Payoneer. Now, this is very quick and easy. I have been doing the same process for like 4 years and I never had a problem. Okay, now to withdraw money or to transfer money from PayPal to Payoneer, follow these simple steps and make sure you watch the video till the end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, is you need to link your Payoneer bank account to PayPal. Okay, not the credit cards, we are talking about the bank account. Okay, now to do that you need to do some things. Okay, something here you need to do one thing, which is to request a federal savings bank. Now if you what you need, guys, to do is you need to click on banks and cards and you need to click on bank accounts for withdrawal. And here it shows you guys, it will show you guys, let me do that again. Receivings accounts, recipient your accounts. Okay, I'm going to receivings accounts. Yeah, you need to click on banks and cards, as you can see in the left, and you need to click on receivings accounts. Okay, now after, guys, you click on receivings accounts, you need to request a federal savings banks, a federal saving bank. Now what this means is, like, they offer you here a bank account. It's actually virtual, but it's First Century Bank. As you can see, it's like bank name is First Century Bank, and this bank, PayPal have a problem with this specific bank. See, like, I have been having the same problem for like 2 years when I first started doing e-commerce, and when I first started using this, I always have a problem. I can't link my Payoneer bank account to PayPal because I didn't know that they don't accept First Century Bank. So what you need, guys, you need to request, you need to contact Payoneer. To contact Payoneer, it's actually easy, guys. As you can see, after you click on you say bank account, you can see a solution guide and you will see there where you can contact them, and you need to tell them, hi, I would like a federal savings bank. Okay, you will add it here, and after you will add it here, you need to go to PayPal and you need to click on link card or bank, and here you need to link the bank accounts. Okay, now it only allows me to link my card because I haven't linked any card here. After you link a card, they will let you guys link a bank account. Okay, you need to link the card first, your local bank account. For example, if you live in United States, you need to link your credit card, and after that you can link the federal savings bank after they add it here on Payoneer. Now if you don't want to wait for that, then you can link this UK bank. Okay, they allow you to link it, but you always have to convert dollars to pounds every time you want to withdraw the money from PayPal to Payoneer. Okay, that's the only problem. So I hope, guys, you understand what I'm trying to explain to you here. If you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. If you want me to help you with requesting federal savings bank, just let me know in the comments. Whatever you want, I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like on this video. See you guys.